Hello, amazing Alvin Junior High avid students. This is Mrs. Tucker from Alvin High School. I will be helping out your teacher, Ms. Hendricks, the beginning of this school year. I hope that many of you stick with Avid in high school because you might just have me. Isn't that awesome? This video is to talk to you about the daily check-in, So I'm going to show you, I know this says fifth period, but this will be the same for third period, okay? So when you go in, you're going to have to do a daily check-in. If you click on classwork, and you go to resources, you're going to notice I have this tab that says daily check-in. When you click on it, it says, we need you to complete this daily check-in. Please complete the Google form, which is here, every single day if you're an AVL student. So if you're AVL, we need you to go in every single day you're working from home and you need to fill this out. Now you're still going to do your assignments, but this is just a check-in for your teacher to help with attendance purposes. Now, if you're a face-to-face student, you will be working at home for a little bit longer as we start to bring students back to school. So if you're face-to-face, you will need to fill out the form only when you're working from home, because in the next couple weeks, you're going to be back at school and your teacher's going to take attendance when you're sitting in class, right? So you'll click on the Google form, and this is going to look the exact same way every single day. Type in your last name, your first name, your ID number. You're going to tell her which class period you're in. You are going to write the name of the assignment you worked on that day and explain something interesting you discovered. Then you just click the submit button. When you close it out, you should still be able to see this daily check-in the next day, and then you just click on it again. It will pop up again, and then you fill it out. Now, if you're AVL, remember, you have until 11:59 to turn in your assignment for the day. But for attendance purposes, we're going to ask you to fill out this form by 4 p.m. That way, your teacher can try to submit attendance before she leaves for the day. If that's an issue, it's okay. You can submit it after that, but we're going to ask you to do your best to submit it by 4. All right, if you have any questions, you're going to talk to Ms. Hendricks, or you can even email me, mtucker@alvinisd.net. All right, take care, guys.